These automations are of course great, but nonetheless it can make some complications. If you use for example the AI agent node, the LLM node, and if you simply connect all of these LLMs like from OpenAI, from Claude, from Google, from DeepSeek, local stuff, whatever, it can always give you some problems. Sometimes they can make mistakes. Sometimes it can be critical to send out data from your clients to OpenAI. Sometimes you can get jailbreaks and a lot more. In this section we talk about issues, security, data privacy and copyrights with all of these AI agents. And I want to start with the first problems also right now in this video. One of the problems of all of these AI agents is of course that they can produce output that is not right. This can happen with every single LLM, and this is important to understand. The second problem is, if you use a few LLMs and link them together, the API costs, they can get bigger and bigger over time if you use an API. If you work, for example, with the newest OpenAI models, Gemini models or Claude models, the API costs, they can go relatively high. And if you work with open source LLMs that work locally, that are completely for free, without any API, the chances are relatively high that they are not smart enough. So this is always the trade-off. If you want to have good output, you need to pay a little bit, and of course every single LLM can make mistakes, and the cheaper the LLM runs, the more mistakes it will make. This is just the nature of the game. Besides all of this, we have also a lot of other things that can go horribly wrong. We have jailbreaks. With jailbreaks, it's possible to hack such an LLM. In the next video, I will show you exactly what a jailbreak is. And of course, we use ChatGPT as an example because here we can see it really simple. Besides that, we have also prompt injections. Also, prompt injections can be dangerous. Then we have data poisoning. Data poisoning is also an attack to LLMs or something that could go wrong in the training. Besides all of that, we need to talk about copyright and the safety of our own data. And of course, we also need to take a closer look at the N8N user license. So basically, is it okay to sell these applications? Is it okay to use the source code, to modify the source code? And what should we do if we are based, for example, in Europe and need to use the OpenAI API, but Europe has some regulatory issues? So basically you are covered for everything, for America, for Europe, as soon as you want also to sell these applications. And that's basically all that we will cover in this section. So I will see you in the next video as soon as we start to jailbreak some models. And like I said, I will make this example in ChatGPT. But don't worry, this also works in your AI agents. But ChatGPT is easy to use, here we can make fast examples. See you in the next one.